Do you like my new Wamper Wan? We haven't been filming because it's been pain and misery from the get-go, and we're also bad YouTubers, but basically he's got a lot of rust. A lot of rust. It's the sills doing and the windscreen, hence the doors being off and the windscreen being out. We decided that we're going to find another old shagged one and we're going to cut it down. And there was a big puddle of coolant all over the petrol station. So we limped the Land Rover back to the headquarters. We were going to dismantle everything that was in our way in the engine bay. What are they called again? The core plugs had a little hole in the middle and it was out coolant all over the engine. Had to remove the intake manifold, coolant reservoir. We are now at the point that we got the core plugs out. Old girl's gonna sit here until we go to collect some new core plugs later today. Then the pain and suffering continues.
We have retrieved the holy core plugs. You will notice they are not in the Land Rover. We're going to take this other broken car of mine to the scrapyard. Let's go.
Seen us chop out everything we need. Chopped. It is rusty as you would expect, but not as bad as the other one.
Rust.
So we got a lot of welding to do.
Back to the fort.
Goodbye, graveyard of camper vans.
It's a beautiful sunny day and we are elbow deep in Phoebe, the French girl. So come inside and let's take a look what we've been getting up to. We have here a lovely French mistress. We've got stuck in and we started chopping bits out. And we have also started prepping these bits that we got from the chop shop yesterday in Leicestershire. So this will be going up here. The top of it is going to go just on the scuttle. So that's just going to slot right in there. And Jamie's done some lovely welding, some tinkering, and mate, you won't even notice on this paint. Basically, chopping all that stuff out yesterday has saved us a whole lot of grief, whole lot of fabrication, probably hours and hours and hours saved by going on a lovely trip to the countryside. There you go, paid to go on olive oils, mate. Time to bust some crust.
Roger.
Ah, Roger! You join us back with a man and his sandpaper. The Land Rover's been sitting dormant for a few days. We now have some freshy core plugs. The old ones are pretty rotten. They're sort of rotted and corroded from the inside outward. I'm now cleaning up the spaces for where the core plugs mate. Very tight and very difficult to work on. So come join us in the tiny, tiny hole.
Sunday, we're trucking out.
We're at Brands Hatch for truck racing. What's the championship called?
Not a clue, I've been
Truck
dragged
racing
here.
championship. It's the first big event. We've seen some big skids already. We've seen some big trucks. And they're about to do their first lap. Mate, in the back of my pants.
I've never seen truck racing before, so it should be pretty interesting.
I haven't been here in a while, to be fair.
Brands is always a good track to come to.
We've seen monster trucks, we've seen some pickups. This is the first HGV race. So
HGV race.
Yeah, they got to do some storage collection after this. Gone from trucking to miniing. That's what's going on right now. Don't know if you can make it out.
they rolled it.
Big flips, big flips.
Bring on the rollers.
We've come truck racing, but obviously we've come and found some E46 M3s. A little bit more up our street. Big Wang.
Second, side by side for third.
I hope you've appreciated our first experience of trucking.
I thought I enjoyed it. I thought it was pretty sick. Not
pretty
what
quick.
I expected. It'd probably beat the Sylvia, I think, on a track day.
I don't know.
I recommend.
I don't really know what else to say. We didn't actually film loads. It's a bit of a tragic video, to be honest.
Too busy trucking.
It's just a little segment in Spanners and Mash.
Yeah.
On to the next bit that we do.
That's all, folks. That's all, folks.